All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we have already completed some videos on Prop 46. This will be one of the last ones we do, and we're going to focus solely on the increase in the cap or the maximum of medical malpractice. In the previous videos, we have talked about the other reasons why Prop 46 in California will be very beneficial. But this one, David, this is just we're going to talk about the increased cap. So what is the cap now? Where will it potentially be, and what are the reasons behind this at this point?
All right. Well, the cap right now for pain and suffering is set at $250,000. So just to be able to explain that to you in a little bit more detail, if somebody, as a result of a medical malpractice or medical negligence of the doctor, suffers the loss of a loved one, a child, a husband, a son, a daughter, uncle, whatever it may be, the way that the law is set right now is that for the wrongful death of that person, which you're not going to have that person in your life for the rest of your life, is only set for $250,000. Now, I'm sure, or the opposite of it before I go forward is, let's say there's people who are support of this proposition, regular people, not not lawyers, no trial attorneys, nothing whatsoever, that have sustained, for example, severe injuries, double amputees of their arm or legs, and for the rest of their life, pain and suffering, all they're going to get is $250,000. And that, in my opinion, I don't think that's fair. I am a lawyer, but I'm speaking as a non-lawyer right now, and I think that big insurance companies, big businesses, big corporations are going to put heavy amount of money advertising into this, and they're going to try to convince the regular public that this is a bad idea, and they're going to couch it as this is just something done by trial attorneys to try to gain money. But what I would tell the general public is, like, really look at the facts. Is this really trial attorneys trying to gain a benefit? Or is it really, truly fair to have something that was created in 1975, the cap was placed in 1975 at $250,000, and now we're in 2014, and it hasn't been increased? There's an article that was recently done where they did a price comparison, and it's interesting because you look at the price of bread in 1975, it was 28 cents. Today, bread costs at least $2.50. Gas was somewhere around 57 cents. Now it's $3.61 if you get lucky. Cars for about $5,000. Now, average car to buy is about $30,000. Stamps for 13 cents, and now it's 46 cents. So I really would say, is that really trial attorneys' attempt to try to pass this? I don't think so. And the general public, I think, are smart enough. They will see through it, and they will be able to say that this is just big corporations at it again and trying to make their pockets richer, because there's also been a study that insurance companies have been making more money, and they always make it sound to the public that, oh, if we pass this law or this law gets passed, insurance rates will get higher. But the question that should be asked is, let's see if the insurance companies are going to show their profits. Are they going to show how much money they're making since this is passed? Are they going to show that they've been making more profits than they claim that, oh, if certain laws pass or not? So in reality, my thing is, to general public, read what's out there, educate yourself, and you will see that the insurance companies and the big companies are just trying to look out for themselves. And ultimately, at the end of the day, what's fair is fair. I don't think something that came out to be a law in 1975 where they put a cap on it and we're in 2014, that it's not time to increase the limit so that people who are severely injured can recover the compensation that they deserve and what's fair and just for them.
Very well said. And as far as educating oneself, there's a link within this video that I'm showing now that has all the information you will need to know about California Prop 46. There will also be a link below in the YouTube video information that will help you better understand what exactly California Prop 46 is. It's not just the increase on the cap in medical malpractice. In previous videos, we had discussed that there are many other things involved. You can look through those videos on the link below. All of those videos will be provided so you can understand all the different layers of what Prop 46 would be. And thank you very much for your time, David.
All right, thank you.